Good morning, my name is the Old Mechanic and I'm still busy on my Honda CB500X. What a nice bike that is. What are we gonna do today? Holy shit, now watch! Today I'm gonna show you how you can change your air filter. Is that difficult? Well, let's find out. Come on over and we're gonna start. Now, the first thing we're gonna do is get the body seat off. Easy, up, and this is up. The next thing, we get the battery out. Well, that's also easy. Always start with the negative. That's important. And then this one. So the negative is loose. Then we have the positive. Okay, that one out too. And up, yes. And then we can lift the battery out. So here we got the battery, and we start to sand with a piece of sanding paper. This is grain 120. Yes, perfect. We're going to do the same over here, of course, on this side. Job done, old mechanic. First we get this thing out of the way. It's very easy. Hop, this one away. Then, yeah, the bike wiggles a bit, it hangs in my winch. So guys, there are 4 screws. One over there, one over there, one over there, and one over there. For those. I got this. And now you would say, hey old mechanic, what are you gonna do with the battery? It isn't a battery, watch. I got it for my birthday from my son. All good bits. Great, let's give it a try. Yes, wow, wow, Makita. And my special ratchet. Get you closer. Yes. Now, we can take the air filter out. Easy as that. We got that air filter out, and oh, there might be, oh, there's are the screws. Oh. Holy shit. Now watch. piece of paper, a leaf, some nuts, and a totally watch. So this is really needed. Holy shit. Uh-oh. So this is the new air filter. It's my favorite brand, High Flow Filtero, because it's cheaper than original and I never had a problem with it. It's a good filter, and this is the HFA1508. Underneath is the type. Now, whoa, it looks much better. Watch the difference. This is the new one and this is the old one. Now let's see. There's only one way you can mount it. See, this doesn't work. And this works perfect. I always put a tiny bit of grease on every bolt, almost every. Mount. So then it never starts rust. A greased bolt doesn't rust. Hop. First loose. Okay. This one. Up. I always like to go around and around, so it settles better. And now we all give them a tight, but not too tight. This one 2 and this one 2. Okay, then we got this screw, goes into the plastic, so it's always a good practice to give them a smear of grease, and then it slides in easier in the plastic. Oh, hop. And this one. Okay, now let's go to the bike and get it in, on, in. So guys, first we found a rusty tool over there. Wow. Sand free. You don't want to have sand in your throttle bodies. I see over there a bit. Yep, nice. Okay. this one back in. Oh, very nice, I think. First attach this one, as you never know. You're gonna pay, yes, oh, easy, yes, yes. Okay. Yes, now it's settled. Not too tight for this moment. A dab of grease. Get it nicely in place. And then first turn it a bit back and then you feel, oh, see? And now you're in the old thread. Otherwise you're gonna retread it again. And it's plastic. You don't want that to happen. Then what's over here is enough is enough. This one too. Okay, not too tight, huh? It's just plastic. Yep. Up carefully. Job done. Then we're gonna put that one back with a grease. Yes, it's nicely in the same thread. That way up, not too tight, tight but not too tight. Okay, now we got the battery. We slide it in, get that wonderful strap. Okay, yes. Now guys, always do the positive side at first, because we're gonna clean this. Just a bit of WD-40, so that looks better. Always do the positive side first. Because now, when I make suddenly a short circuit, it doesn't mind. But when you have the negative and you make a short circuit, well, there you have fireworks going on. Oh, and be careful. Plastic thing, not in between. Then, this one was over there. Yep. This one over there. Yes. With this one. Okay. Now, this one tight, but not too tight. And then the magic trick. I learned years and years ago in school that you have to protect your battery connections with a bit of Vaseline. So do yourself a favor and just ordinary Vaseline. Yes. Yes. So guys, that was my video about doing an air filter change on a Honda CB500X. lovely bike. Is it easy? Yeah. Can you do it? Oh, absolutely sure. Save you a lot of money, eh? For now, old mechanic.